bafethu, igama lami nguSipesihle kwaQose, and kule story ngidlala i-character kaMthetho. Hey, I would say dirty. Yo, character kaMthetho is very, very dirty, is very calculative, and is very manipulative. Yabona, so mawukuthi like you awumbheki kahle, hey, that guy is very, very dangerous. Difference is I'm a law-abiding citizen, ngiyahlonipha umthetho, and I will never do anything that is gonna break the law. And also ukuthi umthetho, I would say, is a psychopath. Like I wouldn't say like unormally engqondweni into ethanga khona yabo. So I think that's the difference. I think like I'm normal, right? Is it so? No? Okay. Yeah, hey, I would say that was very, very hard. I want to watch like the character kaMthetho, right? But it took me time because I had to understand like what right? And some of the things kaMthetho, like I would say, to be honest, I'm not gonna discover, but I think I will discover them as indlela ihamba. But yeah, that's how I tried, man. I tried by all means that I could.